beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Esther. Welcome back to my kitchen. Yes, we're in my kitchen, and today we are making French bread. So I want to make a very easy French bread that anyone can follow. Like the steps will be very easy. So without further ado, let's get into it. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, follow, depending on which platform you're watching this video from. So let's get right into it. So I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of yeast. I'm gonna put a half of this water, half a cup of the water that we're using for this baking process. Now that we've mixed everything up, we're gonna cover and we're gonna let it rest. So I'm back again. It has risen, as you can see. So we'll add the other half of our warm water, half a teaspoon of salt, like that. Mix it in. At this point, I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Stir everything in. Add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, like so. Gonna mix everything. And then we're gonna add the dusting flour to just incorporate everything together, because now the butter acts like a liquid in this. But technically 1 cup of water takes 2 cups of flour and you're good. I'm gonna use my hands. Make sure you clean your hands. Dough is very well incorporated. So I'm gonna add like 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, like so, and then just mix it up, just a little. So that's good enough. Look at it, it's good enough. So then we cover again and let it rise. Let's check. Oh, it has risen. Sprinkle all over our surface, and then we're gonna dump it here, like so. I'm gonna take a little bit more flour, sprinkle on top, like so. And then divide our dough into 2, like so. And then start with 1. Work with 1 at a time. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make a little ball like that to get a good base, and just spread it out like so. Next, we're gonna just fold it. Now I have this already oil pan. We're gonna pinch it into place, like to seal it in, and then we're gonna pick it up gently and put it in our pan. So don't worry if it doesn't fit, because we're supposed to tuck the ends a little bit. That's our one dough. So this other one, I want to do a different thing with it. So I'm gonna add some more flour on here and just flour it on the outside, like so, and then we're gonna make a ball with it. Here is our ball, and we are gonna put it here. So this is how it's looking like. So then we're gonna cover again for like 30 minutes and let it rise. Again, let's check what we're working with. Oh, they are ginormous. Can you see that? Oh my goodness. Anywho's, let's see what we're gonna do with them. So that's, and this one I'm gonna make a cut like that. And a cut like that. And we're gonna put a little bit of sugar in there, and we're gonna just stir. Gonna coat our bread, but mostly you should use egg whites. I don't like eggs a lot, so yes, we're gonna use milk with sugar. Substitute for egg whites. So that's it. Let me show you up close. This is how bread looks like. As you can see, this one is moving in a bit, but well, we're gonna deal with it that way. So our oven is preheating. Let me show you. It's preheating, as you can see. It's at 170 top and bottom. I'm gonna put it once it reaches 30 so that I can bake it for 30 minutes. So guys, I've baked, I've let it rest. Here are my breads. As you can see, they did marry each other, but they look amazing, as you can see. So I've managed to unmarry them. So this is the loaf. It looks really good, really soft, as you can see. So let's try and slice it, yeah? Let's try and slice it. I think from this angle. My cat is going crazy. He wants to play, so he's protesting. I need a bigger serrated knife. It would be easier for me. Oh, so soft. Look. It would have been actually very nice if I had done like in a bread lofting. Yes, if I had done it in a lofting. But anyway, this is very, very soft, as you can see. Actually, I like it a lot. Very easy, soft, moist. This is how it looks like. Obviously, I did let it rest, so you can see at the top. This is the reason why you apply the sugar and the milk or the egg wash, so that it can have this nice color on top, as you can see. Yeah, so this is how it looks like up close and personal. See, see. And taste it. Yes, Wash. You want bread? So it's actually really good. So this is the bread. For more recipes, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, follow, depending on the platform that you're watching me from. Yeah. Thank you for watching my videos, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.